Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a database to your website. Connecting a database to your website is very important in a creating website process. So for this one, you have to download this SAM server. So you can download it from the Google by typing this name SAM server. So after installing the same server, you have to start the Apache and MySQL, and don't forget to connect your internet. And after that, you have to put the admin. You have to click one of this admin. After entering the admin, you see a screen of the database. This is the place we are going to create. These are some databases that I have created before. If you want to create new one, you have to click new. And then you can see here, yes, you have to put a name. And also the main thing is you need the code to connect with this server database. So if you the code you have to, I'll show you the code. You have to get this PHP code to connect the database, because after creating this code, it is very easy to connect with the database, because you have to see this is the database name. You have to give this exact name to your database. And also here, this one is the table name. You have to enter this name correctly, otherwise this database is not going to connect. And also the name, email, password, and these things are also wants to be similar to the name that we are going to enter into the database. So don't forget that it's very important. And for these things, we have to paste this name, copy, paste, and then you can see a screen create. So after creating the database, I have already created that with this name. So this is the basic concept. You have to use this user data for the database name, and you have to use this user name is insert into user. Whatever the name you are typing here, you have to put the exact name into the table. So I'll show you with this PHP code only. So we can create data. So then now we can create this. So database is created. So we have to enter the table name exact the name that in the PHP code. So don't forget this one. I use this one, student. And here you can reduce or increase the table columns, and after create you have to speed. And here you can see this is the table, and after entering the values, this is the order it's going to store here. And in default we always give ID for it, like username or something, and name, email, password. This is the name that I have entered here. Also integer, varchar, and you can select the varchar password, whatever integer varchar, and 255 for varchar. It is just for now. And if you want to increase the count of the, if the user enters 10 users are entering an data, so in the first person it should mention that 1, and the second one it should be mentioned sec 2, 3, 4. So for the auto increment you have to click here the auto increment mode, and that's all. So anyway, where database has created. Okay, that's all. This is the table, and you can check if you enter the name, if you enter some data, it will be displayed here. So, and the main thing is you have to save your all the files in. After installing the same server, you will see a folder like this in your local disk C. There's a inside there's a folder called htdocs. So you have to click that one, and after that you have to save your website folder inside of this folder, otherwise the website is not going to display. You have to add the data folder here, and all the source file should be inside of this. And now if you want to access this website, you have to just go here, insert localhost, type like this, localhost, and the folder name, my folder name was this one. And after that, you this is the name that I have created for my website, and you can go here by here. Let's connect. This is my index.php index.html file I have accessed from here. So this sign up HTML file, you have to enter your name, password, everything. And after clicking the sign up, you can see the data will be entered here. So the names are not the same data, so I can't enter the data here because everything was different from our previous code. So you can try this one, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.